Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change your resolution in Gameloop. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your resolution in Gameloop. So, guys, if you don't know Gameloop, it is I explained this on another video, and I hope you watch it. But for now, I'm going to explain to you how to change your resolution at Gameloop. So, right now, to change your resolution at Gameloop, go to the top right. As you can see, click the three horizontal line. After clicking the three horizontal line, click on settings. Once you click on settings, I want you to go down right here to engine. Once you're here to engine, scroll down. And once you scroll down, you will see a resolution. So right now, my resolution is 13x768. So now we're going to make it 1920 1080. Then after that, you just need to click save. And once you've saved, once you play the game or the game that you installed in the game loop, it will be 1920 times 1080. So yeah. So if you want to change the resolution, just keep doing that. Go to here, then click engine, then go down, then resolution, and there just keep changing your resolution to the resolution that you want or the resolution that your PC is capable to. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys like it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.